Here's the boys playing in the gym. Hi. Hello, Mason. What's up? Hi, DeAndre. Yeah. Hi. Hi, guys. Good boy. Waving. Say hi. Can you wave to Nini and Papa? Good boy. Good boy, DeAndre. Can you wave, Mason? Say hi. Can you say hello? Hi. DeAndre, can you wave again? Hi. Good boy. See, we're playing in our gym. Thank you so much. We can stay out of trouble. Crazy man. Crazy man. What are they doing there, Mace? You still waving? So it takes up pretty much the whole living room. Right up to the couch. Right up to the wall. Say bye-bye. Can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Let me see you. Say bye-bye.